What happens when you take a legendary American semi-truck and turn it into a rolling luxury apartment? You get the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome AE machine that doesn't just travel the road, it dominates it. This isn't your average RV. It's a bold, unapologetic blend of power, comfort, and old-school American trucking soul, transformed for the open-road nomad who wants it all. But let's be real, this isn't a factory-made coach. It's a full-on custom conversion, built on the backbone of a truck that was once king of long hauls. On the outside, the 2025 T2000 still carries that unmistakable Kenworth profile. Long nose, aggressive grille, aerodynamic curves. It's massive, it's muscular, and it still looks like it could pull a freight train if needed. But behind that tough exterior, a luxury home on wheels, one that turns truck stops into five-star overnights. Slide-outs expand the living area, revealing a surprisingly spacious interior. You've got hardwood floors, leather recliners, full kitchen appliances, and a queen-size bed. And no, we're not talking about camping comfort. We're talking genuine residential quality. It feels more like a condo than a camper. Step into the cockpit, and you're reminded that this rig was born to haul. The driver's cabin retains much of the original Kenworth feel, industrial strength, analog charm, and that classic semi-truck visibility. But now, it's enhanced with digital upgrades, touchscreen nav, and air ride captain seats. That'll make a cross-country trip feel like a drive to the corner store. The dash doesn't scream luxury, but it whispers durability. And for many Americans, that's exactly what earns trust. Powering this beast is a massive diesel engine, tuned more for torque than speed, but it still hauls the full setup like it's nothing. It may not sip fuel like a Prius, but it wasn't built for that. It was built to move mountains, or at least feel like it could. You'll get around 6 to 8 miles per gallon, depending on load and terrain, which is pretty standard for a rig of this size. And yes, it's loud. Yes, it's big. But when you're behind that wheel, you feel untouchable, like the road bends to your will. But let's not pretend it's perfect. This thing is huge. Maneuvering in tight RV parks? Stressful. Maintenance costs? Not cheap. And if you're not used to driving semis, the learning curve is steep. It's not a casual Sunday drive vehicle. It's a commitment. Plus, this is a custom build, meaning every unit is a little different. You don't just order it from a catalog. You find one that's been converted or build it from scratch. That's part of the charm, but also part of the challenge. Still, there's something raw and honest about the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. It's not about flashy tech or automated driving systems. It's about muscle, independence, and making the open road your own. And in that sense, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement, a reminder that some legends don't retire, they evolve.